another fun little thing that you can use in a dance twirl or rhythmic twirl. And it's interesting. You're going to do a circle above your head with your left hand in a reverse direction and take it behind your back, and it's going to go around your right leg, over your head, behind your back, and in front of your right leg. So it's a real twister. You're going to release the baton, let go of it, and leave your releasing hand by your leg, turning it backhand, and recapture the baton. Over your head loop, around your body, around your leg, catch backhand right there. It's super cool and fun, try it.